Working with data reader. Data reader object supports wide number of connections, as this number is constantly growing. Every transformation must have at least one data reader. It is not possible to delete the last data reader from the transformation. Let me demonstrate how to work with text files. We need to select source directory, set data source type to text file, and on text file tab we need to set the source file as delimited. We can also specify file encoding, delimit and text qualifier, and select line terminators. Our software supports working with multiple terminators. This allows our user to easily work with both files produced by Mac and Windows. We can also specify header and footer and say that we want to load multiple files using mask and even load data from multiple directories. We can also apply data reading restriction, which are very useful when debugging the transformation. For example, we can say that we want to load sample of data, just 10 lines. Let me select the source file, customer sales. By default, the software creates field names automatically. We can easily address this by using set field names option. Here we are taking the field names from the line number 1. We can also change the fields with some position, and we can also use auto format grid option. Another way of changing field names is by editing them. This option only works for files and not the databases. This screen also allows us to change the width or length of the field. Let's set it to 15. In some situations, it is even possible to paste the definition from Excel file, for example. Another useful option is the ability to copy a definition from reader to writer, just by clicking this button. That saves a lot of time for very wide files or data sources. Also, we can even swap reader with writer. Another very important point I want to highlight is the concept of universal data reader. Our competitors use separate readers for different data sources. For example, if you work with a CRM system which has 2 implementations, one in Oracle and one in SQL Server, you would need to create 2 transformations. In our case, all we need to do is to switch reader type from Oracle to a MySQL server, and provided that all the field names are the same and the fields order is the same, the new transformation will just work. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. Please like and subscribe.